Hi there, Melody from WTI, and if you're looking for a really cool addition to your camping trips, even to use in your backyard every day, you need to check out this portable pizza oven from PIZZELLO. There are so many amazing features to this one. Let me show you. This super amazing, adorable outdoor pizza oven comes with the cover to keep it free from dust and all of this stuff. A barbecue grate, ashtray, pizza stone, pizza peel, pizza cutter, and super easy to carry because of the handles on the side. I prefer cooking with wood in this instance, and I love how it gets everything just nice and piping hot in a very, very short time. If you're looking for that authentic taste of an outdoor pizza oven, this one does the trick. I love this big paddle too, so you can easily turn your pizza to make sure you get an even cooking all the way through. And it even comes with your little pizza cutter here. So it's got everything that you need, whether you're camping or you're just doing it in your backyard, to make sure you have the best experience when using an outdoor pizza oven. I also love the grill. So the grill can be used for cooking all sorts of things, whether it's hot dogs or something a little bit more healthy. No matter what, this grill will hold it, and it does a great job with the smoky taste. And of course, we cannot forget about roasting marshmallows. So you take off the grill and you just use that. But there's even more. With the detachable pizza oven, you could be enjoying your little pit for cooking or for just a fire while you're still cooking your pizza or other foods on your barbecue. It is an amazing, amazing product. And cleanup is a breeze. All you need to do is pull out the tray to clean up all of them ashes. So if you're looking for portability, easy care, easy use, and easy clean, I suggest this pizza oven from PIZZELLO. I am very impressed with it, and that's my point of view.